How to create a poll on Telegram. First things first, open up the Telegram app on your phone. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that using your phone number and the verification code they send you. Once you're logged in, look for the group or channel where you want to create the poll. It could be a study group, a hobby club, or any other group you're part of. Now, look at the bottom of your screen where you type messages. You'll see an icon that looks like a paperclip or a pin. Tap on that. When you tap on the attachment icon, a bunch of options will pop up. Swipe to the right until you see one that says poll. It usually has a little bar graph icon next to it. Tap on that. After tapping on poll, you'll get a space to type in your question. This could be anything you want to ask the members of your group. Below the question, you'll see a place to add options for people to choose from. Tap on Add Option to type in the choices. You can scroll down a bit to set some preferences, like whether the voting should be anonymous or if people can choose more than one option. Once you've typed your question, added options, and set your preferences, tap on the Create button at the top right corner of the screen. That's it. Your poll is now live in the group or channel. Everyone in the group can see it and vote on it by tapping on their choice. You can check back later to see how many votes each option got. It's a great way to make decisions or just see what everyone's thinking. Creating a poll on Telegram is as simple as that. Now you can gather opinions, make decisions, or just have fun with your group. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy polling!